Hello students, welcome once again, and I hope that you all are doing good, and again discussing about this plant kingdom important aspects, which is for class 11 CBSE board. And in this chapter, since it is very vast, you have to remember the salient features and also the points which are important from examination point of view. Like this topic or question comes very commonly, that which is the stage in the life cycle where meiosis takes place in a liverwort, in a moss, in a fern, in a gymnosperm, or in an angiosperm. So if you start with this liverwort, what is happening in the life cycle? When the sex organs are developed in the same thallus or in different thalli, a sporophyte is formed, which is differentiated into your fruit, seta, and capsule. In the capsule, this meiosis, reduction division, will take place and spores will be formed. So this is happening in your liverwort. In a moss, what is happening? In a moss, during sexual reproduction, what is happening? The sex organs, that is the anthradia and the archegonia, are formed at the apex, and after fertilization zygote is forming, and then zygote develops into a sporophyte, which is again well differentiated into a fruit, seta, and a capsule. In the capsule, this meiosis, again this reduction division will take place and spores will be produced. Fine. So this is clear. Now we come to the fern, the pteridophyte, that is fern. In fern, what is happening? The body mainly is differentiated in a fern into true root, stem, and leaves. So what is happening here? Sporophytes are being produced in the sporangia. They are supported by the leaf appendages, which are called the sporophytes. So these sporangia are producing what? Spores by meiosis, and these spores are photosynthetic, or they are developing into gametophytes, which are called the prothallus. So these are the stages, but meiosis is taking place in the capsule of the sporangia. After the sporangia is producing, after this meiosis only, sporangia is producing these spores. So this is happening in a fern, and then we come to the gymnosperm and angiosperm. In gymnosperms, meiosis again is occurring in the microsporangium and in the megasporangium. So which is producing microspores and megaspores. Microspores are the pollen grains, and in similarly in your angiosperms, what is happening? The same thing is happening. Meiosis is occurring in microsporangium of anther, microsporangium of anther, and megasporangium of the ovule. So these things are happening in the angiosperm. In the microspores are being formed after meiosis in the microsporangia of anther and megasporangium of the ovule, in the ovule. So this is happening in angiosperm. So we also talked about gymnosperm. What is happening? In gymnosperm, the meiosis occurs in the microsporangia and megasporangia to produce microspores and megaspores. In angiosperm, what is happening? This microsporangium is there in the anther, so meiosis is taking place there, and in megasporangium is there in the ovule, so meiosis is taking place there also. So like this, you can just discuss about these particular stages where meiosis is, as asked in the question, as meiosis is taking place in the different stages of these plants, that is starting from a liverwort, then moss, then fern, then gymnosperm, then angiosperms, right? So students, I end my chapter of this video here, and in my next videos I will come again with some other important aspects of this chapter. So like this, I will be there in all the videos, with important answers or important parts of your chapters, so that very quickly you can go through and recollect the important points, right? And if you are liking my videos, please subscribe to my videos. And for online classes also I am available, for offline also I am available here, but these videos I will continue. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.